Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make fluffy, non-sticky white rice. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, I have a cup and a half of white short rice. It doesn't matter how much rice you have. I rinsed it and I left it in soak for around 30 minutes. On a pot over the stove, put 1 spoon of margarine and 1 spoon of vegetable oil. You can use both or you can use any one of them. You can use only margarine, 2 spoons of margarine or 2 spoons of oil. Leave it for 1 minute and then add the rice. Add the salt. Stir all together for around 3 to 4 minutes. Then add a hot water. It doesn't matter the amount of water you're gonna put over the rice, because we wanna cook the rice boiling it with the water. Don't worry for the amount, as long it cover the whole rice and it's enough to cook it all the way. Leave it cooking over the stove for around 10 minutes or until it's done. You can take the spoon out of it and taste it if it's well done. After that, drain it. And put it again on the same pot. Then put the pot on the stove over a very low heat and leave it for around 10 minutes. This is our rice after we cooked it. It's fluffy with good consistency and non-sticky. You see how easy it is? You don't have to worry about the amount of water you have to put or how long you must leave it over the stove. And you can eat it with a lot of other meals. That's all for today, my friends. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and bon appetit.